What step to be taken by the center or state with consultant with the state leader? What can I say about the eliminated suspension or PR or uh, for the choosing of leader? I can't say. The time will bring soon a best solution in the interest of the public. Let's see.
But the deadline of two assembly sessions within 6 months is ending today. So
Already I told just uh, the problem will be settled within 2 days. Just 2 days or tomorrow. Let's see. Thank you.